Aye, well, to another video today, we've got a job in Preston. We're doing the roof today, me and Kyle. First, we'll probably speak to the customer, touch base with them. We'll probably just get on with everything after that.
Five, so which is going to be 3 in the centre of here. Yeah. Just find 3 spars in the middle of them, just push the tiles up. Run in this direction to support the roof. Or, well, they're called spars or rafters. And that's what we fix our anchoring kit to. So I've already notched that out there to accept the hook. That's it. Impact driver. Use your 2 centres. Just make sure you keep your screw straight. Obviously what you don't want to do is come out the side of the rafter. Perfect, mate. Absolutely spot on that. Going under this one, so if you push them 2, if I push them 2 up, take that. Started to do some of the remedial work that the roof needed, taking out some of the damaged tiles to make sure we're leaving a waterproof surface when we're done. We brought through some of the DC cables that are going to go to this roof and the top roof, then to the inverter, and we are just grinding out the last few tiles for the 6 going on this bottom roof before we move up to the top and start anchoring the rosemary roof.
And how's River been getting on as your apprentice, showing him the stuff?
Extremely well. He's picking it up very quickly. It's been a big help.
The hooks on the roof above are now done as well. Just drilled some holes then for the saddles, because we're going to run the cable through the roof down into some conduit there.
Yeah, so we've brought the cables up from where the inverter's going already. So both strings, the strings that are for this roof are on here, and the strings that are for the next roof are onto this roof. And we're going to pass them up that containment through the soffit and onto the next roof. Yeah, so you can just do it like that, but you'll find sometimes, yeah, that's it, that's what you want, like that, and then just push it up.
Oh yeah, now
nice and tight. So we're just coming to the end of the roof install. Since the last time I spoke to you, we've fitted and connected the panels. We're just going to cut down the rails and apply some bird guarding now. And then we'll be about done for today. River has done extraordinarily well, picked it up very quickly, and there's a roofer to be made of him yet. Just generally all round, just getting stuck in and you know, not afraid to ask questions, getting stuck into what needed to be done, and yeah, doing an all-round very good job.
So you want on more jobs with you then in the future?
All of them. I've already asked that. I've already asked if I can have him for every job. To go there. Obviously, you want to keep this as tight as you can to the rails because you don't want little vermin getting underneath it. Ooh. Push that in. That can go there.